Best diesel particulate filters reduce harmful emissions, protect engine health, improve fuel efficiency, and ensure street-legal compliance for diesel cars. My today's video is about top 5 best diesel particulate filters for street cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Raric 6.7L Water Separator Set. Designed specifically for 2019 to 2024 Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 trucks with 6.7L turbo diesel engines, this fuel filter package is a must-have for diesel owners seeking reliability and performance. The kit includes 2 premium fuel filters, 684366631AA and 681572991AA, and a pair of safety gloves, ensuring safe and easy installation. Crafted with original Italy Alstrom 3-layer synthetic fiber, these filters deliver exceptional filtration, capturing 99% of water, impurities, and contaminants down to 4 microns, far superior to standard 5 or 10 micron filters. The dual-layer microfilter design allows for efficient water-oil separation while maintaining a steady fuel flow, optimizing engine performance and longevity. With a higher dust-holding capacity and a lifespan of 20,000 to 40,000 miles, these filters reduce maintenance frequency and safeguard your diesel engine. Backed by a 12-month warranty and lifetime support, this package offers peace of mind and a hassle-free upgrade for every diesel truck enthusiast. Now our second product is Procure 15 GPM 12V Fuel Transfer Pump. This professional 12V DC fuel transfer pump delivers reliable and efficient performance, boasting a flow range of 15 GPM, 12.5 working amps, 15 max amps, and 1/4 HP power. Built with explosion-proof components and technology, it ensures safe operation in diverse environments, from home garages to outdoor work sites. Its compact design allows easy placement without occupying much space. Compatible with a wide range of fuels, including gasoline, diesel, kerosene, liquefied petroleum gas, and mineral oil, the pump is versatile and convenient for cars, motorcycles, trucks, 4-wheel drive vehicles, and other 12V systems. User-friendly features include a sturdy installable base, durable clamps, and a sensitive switch for precise fuel control, ensuring smooth operation. Safety is prioritized with a heavy-duty cast iron sealed pump chamber, thermal protection automatic stop device, and a built-in 3-minute bypass. Fast, safe, and easy to maintain, this pump is ideal for anyone seeking a high-performance, durable, and reliable fuel transfer solution. Our third product is Rayodlub DPF Diesel Particulate Filter. This diesel particulate filter, DPF, is designed for select Mercedes Blue TEC models, including 2010 to 2011 ML353.0L, 2010 to 2012 GL353.0L, 2009 ML323.0L, and 2009 GL323.0L. Compatible part numbers include 1644975, 3680, 1644975, 3660, 1644975, 3688, a 164-490-75-36-80, A251, 490, 0836, and 251, 490, 0836. Engineered for efficient performance, this DPF increases exhaust velocity, helps maintain horsepower and torque, and ensures superior emission control, making it ideal for environmentally conscious diesel drivers. Each unit undergoes strict factory testing and quality control inspections to guarantee longevity, durability, and reliable operation under demanding conditions. Buyers should note that due to state emission regulations, this part is not suitable for vehicles registered in California, New York, Colorado, or Maine, so confirming eligibility before purchase is crucial. Backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support, this DPF provides peace of mind, making it a dependable choice for anyone seeking a high-quality, performance-oriented solution for their Mercedes diesel engine. Now number 4, Topway 12V DC Gasoline Fuel Pump. This powerful gasoline and diesel transfer pump delivers up to 10 GPM, with a maximum suction lift of 6.5 feet, making fueling fast, efficient, and versatile. Compatible with diesel, gasoline, kerosene, mineral spirits, heptane, hexane, and more, it is ideal for a wide range of vehicles and equipment. Built for safety, the cast iron body is explosion-proof, while the high-efficiency copper motor features thermal protection to prevent overheating. For added security, the removable padlocking nozzle allows you to lock the pump when not in use. The included cast aluminum particulate filter protects engines by removing carbon, sand, dust, and metal debris, extending equipment life. Compact and portable, the pump comes with all necessary accessories, including hoses, clamps, sealing tape, and an aluminum nozzle, making it easy to carry or store. Factory tested for reliability, it supports lawn tractors, boats, ATVs, jet skis, snowmobiles, and more. With responsive customer support, this pump guarantees convenience, safety, and long-lasting performance. And our last choice is Glossy Auto Parts Diesel Particulate Filter. This diesel particulate filter, DPF, is specifically designed for 2007 to 2009 Sprinter 2500 and 3500 models, providing a reliable replacement for both Dodge and Freightliner vehicles. Compatible with OEM part numbers 680119598A, a 90649015992, 906-490-1592, 6490005, and 674-1005, it ensures a precise fit and seamless integration with your diesel engine. Engineered to maintain optimal exhaust flow and reduce harmful emissions, this DPF helps protect your engine while improving performance and efficiency. By filtering out soot and other particulates, it contributes to cleaner emissions and compliance with emission standards. The filter is manufactured to strict quality standards, delivering durability and long-term reliability for daily driving and heavy-duty use. Installation is straightforward for Sprinter 2500 and 3500 owners seeking a high-quality OEM replacement. Backed by a 24-month warranty, this DPF offers peace of mind and ensures a dependable, long-lasting solution for maintaining the health, performance, and emission compliance of your Sprinter diesel vehicle. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.